Welcome to our channel, where we explore the transformative power of meditation. In this video, we will delve into the numerous benefits of meditation and learn how it can enhance your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Let's get started. What is meditation? Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, in order to cultivate awareness, mindfulness, and inner peace. There are many different types of meditation, including mindfulness, loving-kindness, transcendental meditation, and more. Each form of meditation has its own unique benefits and techniques, but they all share a common goal of bringing the mind into a state of relaxation and concentration. Physical benefits of meditation has been scientifically proven to have numerous physical benefits, such as reducing stress and anxiety, lowering blood pressure, improving immune function, and decreasing inflammation. It can also improve sleep quality, enhance digestion, and even alleviate chronic pain. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, meditation helps the body to heal itself and maintain optimal health. Mental benefits of meditation. In addition to physical benefits, meditation also has numerous mental benefits. Regular meditation practice has been shown to improve cognitive function, increase focus and concentration, boost creativity, and enhance emotional regulation. This can also reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions, and promote a sense of overall well-being and happiness. Spiritual benefits of meditation has been used for centuries as a tool for spiritual growth and enlightenment. By quieting the mind and connecting with the present moment, which helps us to cultivate a deeper sense of inner peace, compassion, and gratitude. Meditation can also facilitate a deeper connection with the divine, allowing us to tap into our inner wisdom and intuition. For those seeking a deeper understanding of themselves and the universe, meditation is an essential tool on the spiritual path. How to start meditating? If you're new to it, starting a regular practice can seem daunting. However, with a few simple tips and techniques, anyone can learn to meditate. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, and choose a type of meditation that resonates with you. Before we dive deeper into the enlightening world of meditation, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our transformative content that's designed to uplift your mind, body, and spirit. Join our community of spiritual seekers today and embark on a journey towards greater awareness and inner peace. Remember to ring the notification bell too, so you'll be the first to know when we release new content. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase your practice as you become more comfortable. Remember, the key to successful meditation is consistency and patience. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful practice that offers numerous physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Whether you are seeking stress relief, greater focus, or a deeper connection with the divine, meditation is a tool that can help you achieve your goals. So why not start your meditation practice today and experience the transformative power of this ancient practice? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on spirituality and personal growth.